Boom, you don't know it's a favorite contortionist bones. I don't know see how many there with an amazing video for you, you see me. So guys, so today, see the video I do. I make a random security guard handcuff me, you see me. I thought the real handcuff me, you see. And then I gonna like try popping it and then try take the handcuff off a man without using the key. Sound crazy though. But here no, guys, just want to make sure you know, see, respect for everybody that support me. I'm a new followers, I'm all followers. Watch my video them. Go back, go watch him, like it, share it, tag a friend, whatever. You see me? You don't know, it's a boy bones. You can find on Instagram, which is I_BHEE_bones. You see me? Ready? Alright, and people, they may are real handcuff, you see me? Real handcuff, they may don't want to. They may want the police use, you see me? So watch and pray now, you see me? And yes, we still can boom break like this, you see me? We still can do my thing. Alright, so here the crazy part is, ready? So with this now, because that's so flexible for me, you see me? Yeah man, my finger them flexible so. Crazy. So watch and learn. As you can see, it's stuck on big finger though. So what I do is, I dislocate my big finger and slide it underneath my index finger, you see me? Just like that, guys. Again, everyone, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want some more of my videos. See me. Peace.